Eggplant contains fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, all of which are linked to a lower risk of mortality from heart disease. Consuming these nutrients even in small quantities has proven to be beneficial to human health. Aid in digestion. Eggplants, like many other vegetables, are great sources of dietary fiber, a necessary element in any balanced diet. Fiber is essential for gastrointestinal health, as well as for regular bowel movements. Improve bone health. Eggplants are very good for people at a high risk of bone degradation and osteoporosis. Phenolic compounds are what give eggplants and many other fruits their unique coloration. These compounds have also been linked to reduced signs of osteoporosis, stronger bones, and increased bone mineral density. Prevent anemia. A deficiency in iron can be very dangerous to overall health, and it can manifest in anemia. Anemia is characterized by headaches and migraines, fatigue, weakness, depression, and cognitive malfunction. Therefore, eating foods high in iron can combat anemia, and eggplants have a decent amount of iron in them. Improve heart health. There are different ways through which eggplants benefit your heart health, including fiber. They have been known to reduce the presence of bad LDL cholesterol in the body, and stimulate the uptake of good HDL cholesterol. Prevent some cancers. Research has shown that eggplants contain polyphenols which are known for their anti-cancer properties. Eggplants have anthocyanins and chlorogenic acid which are antioxidants. They fight inflammation and oxidative stress-related damage found in the body. Studies have found that they can prevent tumor growth and help to stop the invasion and spreading of cancer cells. Eggplant contains a reasonable amount of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting. It also helps prevent calcification of the arteries, thus preventing dangerous plaque deposits that may clog the heart. Eggplant and weight loss. Eggplant contains almost no fat, no cholesterol, and few calories. Adding eggplant to your diet is a great choice if you are trying to lose weight or combat obesity. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.